whango Kāwhia moana, Kāwhia kai. Ara Kāwhia tangata anō hoki poina roi. Nei mai.
Tēnā koe.
Nei mai hoki koe. Nei mai anō hoki tō kawhe. One. No. Okay.
Bought this kawhe all the way from Waitangi. It's good to come to Kawhia, finally see it in the flesh. Only one of the kōrero I heard around the sheets, travelling to different sites in Aotearoa, that they came down via the Kawhia harbour on a waka, or a boat, as we say. But yeah, it's awesome to finally be here and see this place.
It would have been easier to bring those sheets of paper down here by boat, instead of trekking over our rough, rugged lands and all that. So it really makes sense. And to my understanding, there's about 10 rangatira of Waikato, Ngāti Maniapoto, tai mai tō haina I kone. Kei raro I te korohoi a Waikato.
Oh yeah, tētahi kōrero korongai. Apparently the missionaries got the two iwi confused, thinking they're the same iwi, a Tainui me Taranaki. But e mohio katoa nā tātou, we know the difference. There's big differences between the two iwi. Big differences.
Ika size.
yeah. Tika. But yeah, it's good to finally come to Kawhia and to see one of the iconic sites where these infamous sheets were brought to.
Kapoi,
so mihi ana Kawhe.
Plenty more to see. Let's go and check it out. Oh, wait. It's just like the tiny waka they parked up here many years ago. Our journey's come to an end, bro. So appreciate you for picking me up along the road there. After hearing about you losing your other co-host who was meant to be here with us today, hoi anō.
Brother, it's been really, really awesome.
Hope you've enjoyed your time down here in Kawhia, as well as the journey on this whole haerenga, bro. So mihi ana kia koe, brother.
Mihi ana kia koe, brother. Yeah, it's been an awesome journey, right from Mawhitu right down to Port Waikato, and then concluding our haerenga here in Kawhia. And just a big acknowledgement to our whānau out there watching, waiting to be informed about where these sheets came from and where they're heading to. So, but that's not it te whānau. In the future, heading to other iconic areas in Aotearoa to reveal the sheets, hopefully find our mate Snowy amongst them.
Koia.
Kia ora tātou. Hoaki.